Today, an old enemy returns. The unknown crystal boxes. So last time we had these, we tried to get them going. Found a lot of wonky bulbs and some odd bases coming out of place. But I'm just going to get the old electrical screwdriver on these and see what's going on in the middle. So we definitely don't have any power on this end one, but we did on the very first bulb with the string coming from the plug. So I think we will go back to that one and we'll work our way along and see if we can find the problem and isolate it. So as suspected on the last video, this set probably suffered a cascade failure. Where this repair was done, that I did on the last video, that's where another bulb holder should be. There are 19 bulbs on this set. 19 bulb holders, there should be 20, and one was missing. Don't know why it was missing. Possibly could have melted, I don't know. But all these bulbs are more modern bulbs, they're not the shorter bulbs. They should be like smaller bulbs like this. So there's obviously been an issue down the line where the wrong bulb has been put in, a different voltage, different wattage, and a bulb has popped, it's not been replaced, it's probably not had a fuse bulb in it, and then a bulb goes, and as a bulb goes the resistance drops, and then the set of lights in the bulbs get brighter and brighter, and then they all just start popping one by one and a cascade failure happens. And I think that's possibly what happened to this set of lights. So that one's got power. One. Oh, hold on. So it's gone from the center having power to the side wall now. So that's probably just a manufacturing issue, but it's got live going to it, so we'll go to the next one. That bulb holder is a bit dirty, but it also looks like that's heat. These pink bulbs have been quite tight on this set for some reason. Oh! And there we go. Found it. Weird. We've got bulb out, but I don't think it's an issue with the bulb. I think it's an issue with the this base. This base is an issue. There we go, fixed it. So they all work. They're not too bright considering there's a bulb missing. A little bit of a flicker on them. But finally, we got them working. The cube lights. Only got one blue bulb left now. What have we got? We got 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow, 3 orange, got 3 green, there's the 1 blue, there's 1, 2, 3 red. Oh, this one, I thought it looked like that one was out for a second. Got 2 blue, 1, 2, 3 pink. So I'm guessing these are the factory colours, whichever the factory is. But look at that refraction, that's what I was looking forward to. Come on, let's get the white one. Look at that. Really good, really interesting lights. Well, I'm glad we got these working. I hate having unresolved sets of lights, so that was a nice conclusion. This will just be a short video. Click the link up here to go and see our previous endeavour to get this set of lights working. You know, use it as a guide to get your lights working. It just takes a bit of time. Probably would have been easier if I had my electrical tester, but we did it the old school way this time. So yeah, do you know what these lights are? That's the other thing I forgot to ask. Does anybody have any idea what these lights are, where they're from, who makes them? I was under the impression they could possibly be an old set of Pifco, because these bulb holders, although they don't have bayonet fit and these are like a push fit bulb, they look like the bulb holders from Pyro and Snowman lights pictured on screen. And you know, possibly, I have no idea, they look like a precursor to the to these lights, but a square version. But yeah, we got them going. A good win for us for a change. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.